What's up, guys? We are for another video. And today, me and Aiden will be showing you our fabulous Nerf Gun collection.
Can you show them what's our first one?
Okay, we have the Mega Gun collection. We just got this. We call it the little Mega Gun, baby Mega Gun. I mean, this one is the. I have no idea what its name is, but
It's pretty cool.
Aiden loves using it. And this is the Mega something. And me and my friend love using it. And this is what he just got for Christmas. And it is a Mega Superior. And I painted it white on the lines. The Mega. And then over here.
What was that? Whoa, we're switching. So you're taking me now. Okay, so
This is Aiden's.
Okay, so here we have the Elite Strong Gram Nerf Gun. I like that. It's awesome. This is the Elite Nerf Strike Fire.
That's mine.
Yeah, that's Zach's. This is the
also
Elite
mine.
Fire Strike Nerf Gun. This is the
Gun that
Elite
Aiden got for
Never
Christmas.
a Nerf Strike, a Rapid Strike C518.
That's Aiden's gun that he got for Christmas.
Yep, and yeah, so we're gonna switch because this is Zach's turn. Zach, you're gonna be doing this.
Okay. This is our rival gun collection. We all got this for a gift from my dad. This is my dad, this is mine, and this is my brother's. Well, me and Aiden cannot tell.
Yeah.
Aiden and I also do this. This is a gun that Aiden got for his birthday or bought. And this is one of my favorite guns when I was a little kid. One boy dart, even though it's kinda broken a little bit.
Okay, Zach, I'll switch.
Oh, okay. Alright, this is our how should we say it? Piece.
This is our attachments. So this is just a scope. I like this scope. This is Zach's scope that my dad bought for us. This is one of these
Things
armrests, like I don't know what it's called, like a sack.
Grab a gun.
It's a sack.
Yeah.
And then this is basically a nozzle. This is a nozzle for the gun. This is a stand, and this is a little holder so you can be like.
And this is another stand that I got for Christmas with my Mega Superior gun.
Okay, now let's switch up so you can show off our reloaders.
This we have 5 rival gun holders, and then we have one of these that holds 5 darts, I think. This holds 10. This holds, I have no idea how much. This is 18. This is for the Mega Gun 6. And this is Aiden's
18.
Older 18.
Okay, now
0,
switch.
6. Yeah, I did.
Switch.
And there are.
So this is all of our bullets. We have a rival, elite, whatever, full tricks of the other one I was showing you, Mega, and Elites right there. And these are for the bad boy.
We lost 2.
I should say the bad boy for that baby.
Well, we only have 4 because we lost 2, and Eden not lost 1, and the other one ripped.
Yeah. Okay, so now.
And now we're going to switch to the final thing.
One more final thing, and then we're going to.
We got 2.
Then we're going to test them all.
2 walkie-talkies.
Nice.
2 Nerf walkie-talkies.
Woo!
It's just a walkie-talkie. And this is the red rival mask. Blue rival mask. Another blue rival mask. And we have 10 glasses. And this is like, well, it needs batteries. It used to work in the dark. And you would a glare would come out. It's weird on me. And
We'll mess
3
them out.
rival holders that we can attach to our guns. 2 rival guns.
Nice.
And then that will be all. Now we're going to test all the guns.
Okay, so
I do Mega Gun first.
So we're not going to shoot any bullets, guys, but we're basically going to show you how fun it is to shoot these babies. Ready, Zach?
I'm going to shoot 1 bullet. I'm going to shoot 1 bullet.
You'll see how awesome this thing is. It's awesome. It is totally awesome.
Alright.
Wait,
I gotta shoot it without a bullet first, because it's stuck. Okay, now I'm gonna do it in order. Okay. Come on, get in there. Okay. So, the weird thing is that you have to put all the way back here, all the way forwards, and you probably won't be able to see it. There we go.
nice.
That's that gun.
10.
And then I'll do the next gun, another mega gun.
So I think I got. Oh, jeez, I just fell. Oh my
These
god.
things are basically, they just hold one bullet.
Yep. Boom. No,
See?
you all know how those shoot.
Well,
Rapid fire for us.
this is put in 3 bullets. Kind of like rapid fire. And then we have these that are. The cool thing is that they don't do it when you pull it back.
Yep.
You shoot it through. And it also can do this.
Nice.
And
10
we have
seconds
these,
left.
and
I'm
then
just
we
put
have,
this on. There we go.
then we have the rapid fire.
Nice.
And then another rapid fire, then the lead dart. Then this one I really want to show you.
That one's a cool one.
1 bullet, 1 shot.
I saw it.
And then I'll also use this one if it works.
Yeah, okay.
Sometimes it works. Okay. It works, I think. Yep, wait. It works.
Bang! Okay, Zach, show them this, baby. Oh, wow. Okay, Zach, show them this.
I will.
Okay.
I will just add like 3 or 5 bullets.
Okay.
I'm just gonna add.
Go, Zach. Don't add bullets.
I'm just gonna add 5.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Sorry, guys. It's over. Oh, my gosh. Okay.
Okay.
Virgil.
You just we're going to just
Bang.
If you're undercover, you have to do this.
Bang. Let me see how this is on the carpet. Ready? Set. Look in the carpet. Look in the carpet. Look in the carpet. Blurry. Okay, fine. Bang. Okay.
You're messing up your own video.
No, I'm not.
Okay.
This.
This thing is off A. And this is Abe's.
It's mine.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's basically all we got to show today, guys. So,
I want to show them nothing else. I just want to say, I hope you enjoyed this video. Whatever.
Okay.
And
Well, bye, guys, and thank you for watching, and peace out.